we have to find the values of a and b that make f of x continuous everywhere. So the function is continuous everywhere if it is continuous at each point in the domain. So we're gonna start with finding the left hand and right hand limit of the function at point x equals 2. So at first we're gonna start with left hand limits. That's the limit as x approaches 2 minus of f of x. And at this point our function equals x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. That's going to be limit as x approaches 2 minus, and we apply the difference of two squares formula in the numerator, and that's going to be x plus 2 times x minus 2 and over x minus 2. So then we cancel out x minus 2 and we get limit as x approaches 2 minus of x plus 2. So we apply limit, substitute x with 2 and we get 2 plus 2 or just 4. And now we're going to find the right hand limit. So that limit as x approaches 2 from the right side. And when x is greater than 2, our function equals ax squared minus bx and plus 3. So now we apply limit and we substitute x with 2 and we get 4a minus 2b plus 3. Since the function is continuous at x equals 2, the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Therefore we get that 4a minus 2b plus 3 equals 4. After simplifying, we get that 4a minus 2b equals 1. And that's going to be our first equation. Now we're going to find left-hand limit and right-hand limit of the function at point x equals 3. So it's going to be limit as x approaches 3 minus of f of x. And when x is less than 3, our function equals ax squared minus bx plus 3. So now we apply limit directly and we get 3 squared a, or just 9a minus 3b and plus 3. Now we're gonna find right hand limit. So when x is greater than 3, we get that our function equals 2x minus a plus b. So we substitute x with 3 and we get 6 minus a plus b. Since the function is continuous at x equals 3, the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Therefore we get that 9a minus 3b plus 3 equals 6 minus a plus b. After simplifying, we get that 10a minus 4b equals 3. And that's going to be our second equation. So now we're going to solve first and second equations to find the value of a and b. So from the first equation, we get that a equals 1 plus 2b over 4. And now we substitute that in our second equation. So we get 10 times 1 plus 2b over 4 minus 4b equals 3. So we expand brackets and we get 10 plus 20b over 4 minus 4b equals 3. We make a common denominator and we get that 10 plus 20b minus 16b equals 12. Therefore we get that 4b equals 12 minus 10, or just 4b equals 2. Therefore we get that b equals 1/2. And now we substitute b in this equation to get that a equals 1 plus 2 times 1/2 over 4. Therefore we get 1 plus 1 over 4, or just 1/2. Therefore a equals 1/2. So that's our answers.